Hello everybody, my name is Edward and welcome back to the Warnick Family Farm. We are on day 93 of the farmhouse build and got a lot of stuff to share with you today. So if you're not familiar with what we're doing here on the channel, go ahead and check out the first video in this series. My family and I bought some land that was previously undeveloped and decided to build a farmhouse on it and just kind of wanted to document this whole process. So been kind of filming this every few days as things get done. Kind of put an update out there for my friends and family to go take a look and follow after. So we're on day 93 and just wanted to share a little bit of an update of what we have going on here. So if you can see right behind me here, we have our electrical panel. There is a cardboard over here, but if you see all those wires coming in, all of the wiring in the house is done. So electrical is finished, is ready for drywall. And that's awesome. So, it's taken the electrician a few days. The only thing left that the electrician is still going to do for me is he's going to pull some Cat 6 and RG6 cables. So pretty exciting to see all of the wiring run throughout the entire house. Really amazed to see it with the drywall off, just how much work there is within that. And also, if we kind of take a look here at the outside of the house. So just kind of taking a look at the outside of the house here, we can see we've got all the wiring coming out. We have the wire for the compressor for the air conditioner. We also have the wires that's going to go to the two service panels that we have within the house as well. So all that is complete. So also as we take a little walk inside, we can see some other exciting things start to appear, like ducts. Yay, we see the duct work. So it means the HVAC guy has been here. We talked to him last week, and he's been dropping off some duct supplies that I see here. I also see up there in the attic is the main air handler. So that's been put down. Talked to the HVAC contractor, and we decided to go with a Carrier Infinity series. So we're going to be putting in a heat pump and air conditioner unit. So we don't have natural gas service from a utility out here on the farmhouse. Our only option for a gas would be to store propane on site and burn that. Right now, propane costs are absolutely through the roof. I don't see them going down in the next couple of years. So decided to go with the Carrier heat pump for the main heating and cooling of the farmhouse. Decided to upgrade to their top rated heat pump and air conditioner. So this would be a 24 SEER air conditioner. And the HVAC guy also said he wanted to spec it at 5 tons. I think it may be a little bit of an overkill, but you know what? I'll go with his professional advice. Also, these HVAC units are variable speed, so it can tune that down. Sort of ends up only needing that kind of 5 tons on the hottest days. And if we have a lot of people in here, that's great. But otherwise, I don't expect that to ever run at the highest capacity there. But I'm just super geeked that we actually have seen some progress in this because it's taken quite a while to get to here, right? To get to get these the HVAC in. That means other progress has happened too. On another note, let's see, the plumbing's already been done. We covered that in the last video. More progress though has been made on the roof. We're going with a metal roof in the farmhouse build, and it's been slow. We had a whole week last week where the roofer said that he just couldn't get any roofing done only because it is so darn wet. So tons of we've had showers and rain and the ground is wet, but the roof stuff is all here. I showed you that in another video, them being the panels and stuff being dropped off. But we're slowly and surely making progress to get that roof on the house. Let's flip you around here, take a look. So we're done with that section, the section above that pop-up window there. And then if we go along, we can see the roof is also completed on the side here. So that's good. And just keep kind of moving along to the back here. And I haven't had a chance to take a look yet. Actually, Yeah, so we got that back part done right there. Is that it though? Nope. So that's it. So, you know, they're picking away at the roof a little bit at a time. We're supposed to have some really dry weather over the next few days. The only problem seems to be, and I talked to the roofer, he's been doing this, he specializes in metal roof, he's very well known in the area. And he said the problem now, even though it's dry, is that early in the morning, because we're getting so cold in the morning, and it's not drastically cold, but it's below, you know, at 32 or 30 Fahrenheit. And what that does is then these metal sheets have a huge layer of dew and or frost all over them, and they're very slippery, and it's hard for the installers to do work. So they kind of have to start in the morning after all the dew / frost is burnt off the material. So slowly but surely for those guys. So I think that's about it for day 93 wrap up of the Warnick Family Farm build. Lots of great progress, of course. Looking for some more this week. Hopefully I'll get out here as progress is made, give you guys a little bit of update. Thank you so much for following along. Hope you really enjoy all these videos. If you have any questions or anything, please feel free, put it in the comments. I'll gladly answer any questions, or if you guys have any feedback, any suggestions, I can try to make changes, you know, as permitted. If I get some good ideas, I'd be more than happy to do that. Anyways, thank you so much for following, and we'll see you next time.